Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we will show you how to register a new Exness account with a personal area and how to open new trading accounts. To begin, visit our website and click on Open Account. Enter your country of residence. This cannot be changed and impacts which payment systems are available in your personal area. Enter the email address you want to register this personal area to. Create a password following the special requirements, including uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. You will use this email and password to access your personal area from the web or the Exness Trader app. If you have a partner code, there's an optional step here to enter it and link your account to the Exness Partnership Program. Entering an incorrect partner code will clear the entry field so that you can try again. You must also tick the box to declare and confirm you are not a citizen or resident of the US. Click Continue, and you will be taken to the Exness terminal. Click here to open a new tab in your browser for your personal area. By default, you will find a Real MT5 trading account in the My Account area under the Real tab. You will also find a Demo MT5 trading account under the Demo tab. Now let's look at how to create more trading accounts in your new personal area. Select Open New Account from the My Accounts area. Choose an account type from our selection of standard and professional accounts. Then click Open Real Account for a real account or Try Demo for a demo account. On the next page, you can again set your account type to Real or Demo and choose your preferred trading terminal, either MT4 or MT5. Now choose your preferred max leverage setting and account currency, keeping in mind you cannot change the account currency later. Finally, choose a nickname for this trading account and set its password, known as a trading password. When these are complete, tap Create an Account. That's it. Your new account will appear in the My Accounts area under the Real or Demo tab, depending on which you created. Thank you for choosing Exness.